Did you know that two simple household ingredients could offer more benefits than some expensive pharmaceuticals? Castor oil and baking soda have been trusted for centuries for their healing properties, and today we're diving deep into how this powerful combination can revolutionize your health. From easing joint pain to improving skin health, you'll be amazed at what this natural mixture can do. Stay tuned to discover how to use it effectively and when it might not be the best option. We all know the world is full of medicines, from over-the-counter pills to prescription drugs, but sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. Castor oil and baking soda may not be flashy or modern, but their benefits have stood the test of time. These two ingredients have been used for hundreds, if not thousands, of years in different cultures around the world, and when combined, they form a natural powerhouse that can address everything from skin issues to joint pain. In today's video, we'll take a close look at how these two humble ingredients work together to create a highly effective remedy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use it, its amazing benefits, and when you should avoid it. Historical and cultural context. Castor oil and baking soda may seem like ordinary household items today, but their histories stretch back centuries. Castor oil, for example, was a staple in ancient Egypt and Rome. Egyptians valued it for its powerful healing properties and even used it in their beauty routines to enhance skin elasticity and hair growth. The Romans, on the other hand, utilized castor oil for its medicinal effects, often applying it to treat wounds and relieve muscle pain. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has also been used for ages. It was first mined in natural deposits, but became widely popular as an affordable and effective remedy for heartburn, indigestion, and even skin issues. In the 19th century, it became a household staple, not just for cleaning but also for health applications. Its ability to neutralize acids and act as a mild antiseptic made it an all-around solution for common ailments. Today, the combination of castor oil and baking soda is often seen as a natural alternative to modern pharmaceuticals. These ingredients, backed by centuries of use, have been trusted across cultures to treat a variety of conditions. The idea of natural healing is as old as time itself, and this powerful duo continues to prove its worth in the modern world. Detailed overview of ingredients. Now let's dive deeper into the individual properties of castor oil and baking soda, two simple yet incredibly powerful natural ingredients. Castor oil. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and is renowned for its rich fatty acid content, particularly ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid gives castor oil its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties, making it a popular choice for treating various ailments, both internally and externally. One of the standout features of castor oil is its ability to deeply moisturize the skin. It penetrates the skin's layers, helping to lock in moisture and improve elasticity. This makes it especially effective for dry, sensitive, or aging skin. Additionally, castor oil is frequently used for hair and nail health. It promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and strengthens nails, preventing them from becoming brittle. But castor oil's benefits don't stop at cosmetics. A study published in Phytotherapy Research in 2009 found that castor oil can be just as effective as certain pharmaceutical drugs in reducing pain associated with osteoarthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate joint pain, muscle soreness, and stiffness, making it a natural remedy for arthritis sufferers. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is another powerhouse ingredient with multiple uses. Known for its ability to neutralize acids, baking soda has long been used as a remedy for indigestion and acid reflux. It works by balancing the pH levels in your body, helping to calm an overly acidic stomach. But baking soda's uses go beyond internal health. Its mild abrasive properties make it a natural exfoliant for the skin, effectively removing dead skin cells and reducing acne. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties are also well documented, making it a go-to solution for treating fungal infections, including athlete's foot and nail fungus. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association in 2017 showed that toothpaste containing baking soda significantly reduced plaque and gingivitis compared to regular toothpaste. Together, castor oil and baking soda are more than just pantry staples. Their individual health benefits are supported by both tradition and modern science, making them a versatile natural remedy for a wide range of conditions. Synergistic benefits of the mixture. Now that we understand the individual benefits of castor oil and baking soda, let's explore how these two ingredients work together to create an even more powerful natural remedy. When combined, castor oil and baking soda enhance each other's properties, making the mixture even more effective for a variety of health and skincare purposes. One of the key benefits of this combination is its ability to improve blood circulation in the applied areas. This helps boost the body's natural healing process, promoting faster tissue recovery and reducing inflammation. It's especially beneficial for sore muscles, joint pain, and areas affected by conditions like arthritis. Additionally, this mixture stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping to detoxify the body by clearing out toxins more efficiently. This is particularly important for reducing swelling, as the lymphatic system plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance and removing waste from tissues. On a cellular level, castor oil and baking soda work together to boost the immune response. They increase the number of T lymphocytes, which are immune cells responsible for recognizing and neutralizing foreign agents. This can help reduce infections, heal wounds faster, and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria or fungi on the skin. The synergy between castor oil and baking soda makes this mixture a potent natural remedy for both internal and external health concerns. Comprehensive list of benefits. The combination of castor oil and baking soda provides a wide range of health and wellness benefits. This versatile mixture addresses a variety of issues, from skin care to pain relief and beyond. Here's a detailed look at the many ways this natural remedy can help. Reduces allergic reactions. It soothes irritated skin and reduces sensitivity to allergens, making it a great remedy for those with sensitive skin. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. The mixture eliminates harmful bacteria and fungi, helping to clear up infections like acne, fungal skin conditions, and dandruff. Promotes wound healing. This combination accelerates the healing of cuts, burns, and bruises by encouraging faster tissue regeneration. Relieves joint and muscle pain. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, the mixture provides relief for sore muscles and stiff joints, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Hydrates and rejuvenates skin. It improves skin elasticity and softness, making it particularly effective for dry and aging skin. Whitens skin and reduces dark spots. Castor oil's ability to promote collagen production helps diminish the appearance of freckles, dark spots, and scars. Reduces itching and insect bite, irritation. The cooling and anti-inflammatory properties of both ingredients help reduce itching from bug bites and irritation. Strengthens hair and nails. Castor oil nourishes the hair and nails, promoting growth, reducing brittleness, and improving overall health. Whether you're looking for relief from chronic conditions or simply want to enhance your beauty regimen, the benefits of castor oil and baking soda are endless. Precautions and contraindications. While the castor oil and baking soda mixture offers numerous benefits, it's essential to use it cautiously to avoid any adverse effects. Here are some important precautions to consider. Allergic reactions. If you have a known allergy to castor oil or baking soda, it's crucial to avoid using this mixture. Even if you're unsure, conduct a patch test before full application. Apply a small amount of the mixture to a small area of your skin, such as your forearm, and wait 15 minutes. If there's no adverse reaction, it's likely safe to use. Skin sensitivity. For those with sensitive skin, be cautious when using this mixture. The baking soda can sometimes be irritating, so start with a lower concentration of baking soda or reduce the application time. If redness or irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. Existing skin conditions. If you have severe skin conditions or open wounds, consult with a healthcare provider before using this mixture. Although castor oil is known for its wound healing properties, combining it with baking soda may not be suitable for all conditions. Consult a doctor. Before using this mixture internally, especially if you have underlying health issues or are pregnant. Consult your healthcare provider. Safety should always come first when integrating new remedies into your routine. By keeping these precautions in mind, you can safely enjoy the benefits of the castor oil and baking soda mixture while minimizing any risks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable benefits of the castor oil and baking soda mixture. We hope you found this information as fascinating and valuable as we do. If you're excited to try this natural remedy and see the benefits for yourself, then don't miss out our channel for our future videos where we explore more natural remedies, health tips, and wellness strategies. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, give it a thumbs up. Sharing this video with your friends and family can help spread the word about this powerful natural remedy and potentially benefit others who might be looking for effective, affordable solutions. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the castor oil and baking soda mixture. Have you used it before? What results have you seen? Share your stories and questions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about natural health remedies. To ensure you never miss out on our latest content, click the notification bell. This will alert you whenever we post new videos, keeping you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support helps us create more content and share valuable information. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.